Hello friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends.
The twins. In form and feature, face and limb, I grew so like my brother, that folks got taking me for him, and each for one another. It puzzled all our kith and kin. It reached a fearful pitch, for one of us was born a twin, yet not a soul knew which. One day, to make the matter worse, before our names were fixed, as we were being washed by nurse, we got completely mixed. And thus, you see, by fate's decree, or rather nurse's whim, my brother John got christened me, and I got christened him. This fatal likeness even dogged my footsteps, when at school, and I was always getting flogged, for John turned out a fool. I put this question, fruitlessly, to everyone I knew: what would you do, if you were me, to prove that you were you? Our close resemblance turned the tide of my domestic life, for somehow, my intended bride became my brother's wife. In fact, year after year the same absurd mistakes went on, and when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. Henry Sam Brutally.
Day. Appreciation of a poem. Question number 3b. Write an appreciation of a poem according to the following points. 10 marks. Title. The title of the poem is The Twins. Author. The author of the poem is Henry Sam Lay. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the poem is ABAB, CDCD. Figures of speech. The figures of speech in these poems are alliteration. It puzzled all our kith and kin. My intended bride become my brother's wife. Pun. It reached a fearful pitch. Hyperbole. And when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. Theme or central idea. The crux of this poem's point is based upon the alleged confusion of identities with identical twins. In this poem, poet is sharing his experience that he faced a lot of problems as there was no differences in him and his brother.